Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man. It's time to make some soap. So today I'm going to be using the tall skinny mold again, and I'm wanting to do something kind of fun. So it's rainy and cold here in West Virginia and dreary outside, so I'm wanting to do something kind of fun. So I debated what to do, so I came up with the color theme. The colors, we'll be using Iris Purple, which is, a light purple. Lime Appeal Green from Nurture Soap, which is a really nice, vivid lime green. And then it's going to have titanium dioxide white. And I'm going to use Lemon Chiffon Yellow from Nurture Soap, which is a pale yellow. And I haven't used this one before, but we'll see how it goes. And then I'm going to put a really vibrant top on it. Raspberry Red, which Nurture Soap now calls Queen of Hearts. So I'm going to put a really vivid top on it with those other more muted colors. Because I'm wanting something that not only smells good, but it's kind of fun, I'm going to use Brambleberry's Bali Breeze. I have used this. It's wonderful. It behaves. It holds up. So really happy with that one. That is the plan. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm soaping at about 82 degrees, which is great for this recipe. So I will start by carefully pouring the lye water into the oils. To achieve an extremely light, barely emulsified mixture, which will give me time to work and allow me to stick blend again later to make sure everything's well blended in. That is good to start. So as usual, when I do this procedure, I'm going to pour off some batter from my frosting. That's about how much I need. And just set it aside out of the way. Let's scrape the remainder out of here. And let's start to color our individual containers. So this first one is going to be white with titanium dioxide. Next one will be our lima pea. Actually, let's do lightest to darkest. So the next will be our lemon chiffon. This is turning a little bit orange, and Nurture Soap said it may do that. It's a little bit orange, but I've had yellow micas morphed orange that always turn back, so I'm not worried. Then let's go with our lima peel. I have used this one, and this turns a really icky brown, but it always turns back to this really pretty lime green. So I have used it. I'm not worried. I know that will happen. Yeah, that's really orange now. And our purple. Give each of these a little fragrance and stir it, and then we'll blend everything up. So yeah, I'm really happy with this color palette. Even though that is orange right now, I know it will be yellow. So let's give these a quick hit with a stick blender. And everything looks great, even these morphing colors. See, that's not the prettiest green in the world, but it will be. And there, oh, I'm just so tempted. I'm gonna go ahead and pour. We're so close to the consistency I want. I'm really afraid if I wait too long, by the end of the pour, I'll be sorry. So I am going to start with the white. And the green. And the what will be yellow. And our light purple. start again. That was a little thinner than I usually pour, but I think it'll be all right. So, I have two seriously morphing colors. The green I've used, I know it turns back, and lots of greens do that. The yellow is that really, really dark orange, but I've used other oranges that do that, and I know there are other yellows that do that, and I know they turn back, so I'm not really worried about this. So, I'm going to have to let this set up and get the frosting mixed up, so I will be back in just a minute. Unfortunately, my camera battery is just about to die. I thought it was fully charged, but apparently not. So I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching, everybody. And here it goes in 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go, cutting the soap. And our color morphs have morphed back to their intended colors. This was a little thinner than I normally pour, so kind of curious to see what happens. So here we go. Oh no, it looks nice. I just like, the nice kind of thick, chunky swirls instead of where everything metals together. So yeah, I like that. So once again, I did get what I achieved, so really happy with these as well. And that is what I have for this week, so stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and I'll see y'all next week. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.